Hey crafters! One of the questions I get asked all the time is how do I apply adhesive vinyl to cardstock without tearing the cardstock? The secret is in the transfer tape. You need the Goldilocks of transfer tape. Not too sticky, not too dry, just the right amount of adhesive strength. Hi, I'm Rabia, and on this channel I share elegant and beautiful craft tutorials because the world is just a better place when you made something that wasn't there before. Let's get straight to it. I am going to be demonstrating with a wedding card that I designed myself. You can do this with any design that you want. If you want to make the same card as me, then head over to my website, LondonCraftGirl.co.uk, where you can find the file that you can download for this particular project. And all you need to do is to cut your vinyl on your Cricut machine as normal, and if you're using a card blank, then just grab that, or cut your card blank on your machine, weed it as normal. And now comes the magic. So of course, when we use adhesive vinyl, we always add transfer tape on the top in order to transfer it onto our blank. What's going to be important when you're working with adhesive vinyl and you plan to put it on cardstock is that you need that transfer tape to not be too sticky. If you're using a brand new piece of transfer tape, then guaranteed it will tear your cardstock when you peel it off. So there are two things you can do. Either grab a piece of transfer tape that you've used quite a few times before on other projects. I always keep my transfer tape for as long as possible. You can definitely reuse it, and the more you use it, the less sticky it becomes, and that actually suits us for this kind of project. If you only have access to brand new bits of transfer tape, what you do is you get that transfer tape, you cut it to size, and then you will just peel it on and off some fabric a few times, and what that is doing is it's picking up the fibers from that fabric and therefore reducing the stickiness of your transfer tape. And then obviously once you've done that, I would get like a scrap section, or maybe like the inside part of the card where you can do a quick test to see that you've reduced the stickiness of your transfer tape quite enough. Then we're just going to complete the transfer as we normally would. Guys, I did tell you that was insanely simple. I have done so many projects with adhesive vinyl on cardstock, and it has always worked for me. I really hope it does for you too. Let me know in the comments your experience, and if you fancy some craft inspiration while you're here, why not check out this playlist of my most popular craft tutorials. But before you do that, why not give me a subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I'll see you in the next one. Happy crafting!